Everyone, this is Immaculate from Aima Recreation. We have been seeing lot of Mankala Pallanguli variety of games. Today we will see Vari. Okay, it's actually written as Avari, pronounced as Vari, I think. And it's a very popular African game, and it is even now played. Even international tournaments are held. So I am going to give you the basic rule of Ababa rule. That's what they use it for. Elders to conduct adults to play this game and to conduct tournaments, and there may be lot of variations also. As I learn, I will cover them. Okay, so over to Vari, and I will leave it to you guys to compare it with other games and find the similarities and the differences between the lot of South Indian Hanu Ata. Okay, so Vari board is only 6 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6. Okay, they do say variations are allowed, but generally in tournaments and standard rule it is 6 each and 4 in each hole. Okay, so first player starts. So to capture, you have to capture only from the opponent, and your last seed has to end in 3 or 2. If it ends in 3 or 2, then you can capture the previous ones also if they are 3 or 2. That is the only way to capture seeds. And there are some slight variations, because if you have more than 12, you will skip the hole from where you have picked up, and there is a mandatory rule also, because your opponent don't have option to play, then you have to use one of the holes where you can give them option to play, otherwise the game will end, and winner emerges whoever got more than 24. So I have given you all the 3 rules. If there is any variation, I will cover it as and when we go along. I have taken a Pallanguli Gudimani board, then I have covered this hole. So I will start first. As usual, I will go this way, and it's only one round. Where it ends, that's all, my turn ends. Now it will be the opponent's turn. So opponent will again try to put as many as options for them, and again opponent turn ended. Now my turn. So I can start somewhere, do this. So now if they convert this into 2, then they will get that. So can they do that? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this 2 is for them. So the strategy here is slightly different. Strategy is you should block your opponent from getting more, and at the same time you should try to get more. So putting lot of ones in your empty holes is not a good strategy. So now opponents, so they should get this. So they may not. So suppose they do this here. So my turn. I can only get it from the opponents. This is 7. Try this. Oh, it ended here. If it has ended here, I would have got that. Now again opponents, they can try to convert this into 3, or they have a lot of options now. Let's see if they take this, and at the same time they can, see, they got 3, they can take this. Suppose if it is 2, they could have taken that too. So now my turn. If I can convert this into 3, then I can get this. This now I won't be able to get. So let me see. Yes, I got only 3. So that's the only thing I got. If this 2, I could have got it. Now opponent's turn. Opponent can get this, I think. 1, 2, 3. See, opponent got this. Now my turn. 3, I got this 2. So now opponent's turn. I won't get this. So let us see if they can get this. This is not the last seed. If it is the last seed, they would have got this and this. So it ended here. Now it's my turn. Now I should try to get any of these things, and at the same time I should try to spoil it for the opponent. So if you look at it now, here strategy is very different. Suppose I take this. This becomes 2. Sorry, 3. Oh, it ended in this hole. I was expecting it to end here so that I can get these 2. Now opponents. So suppose they take this. 4 ended in 3, so they got this. This is 2, they could have got that. Now mine, I'll take this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now I could show you multiple capture. So I get this, which is 3. I get this also, which is 2. Now if it is also 1, 2 or 3, I could have got it. So like that you can get up to 5. That's what they are saying. If it ended in here, you can't take all the 6. In that case, you will forfeit everything. So that is one of the variation which we have covered. Because otherwise opponent will not have any move. Or you can capture up to 5. 3, 2, 3, 2 or any combination you can do. Now it's opponent's turn. So suppose they are taking here, I should remember, because if it is more, then we have to skip that hole. See, it is more, they have to skip this, they have to put it here, because they are playing, they don't get it, they can only capture from opponent. Now if I am playing, I would have got it. So the other rule also we have covered, you have to skip the pit from where you have taken. Now my turn, obviously if it ends here, it would have been good for me. 5. Okay, I'll take this. 2, 3, 4. I got 3. Now opponent's turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. They got 2. Now my turn. So I got 2. Opponent's turn. Suppose they just do this. Now my turn. See, I got 2, but this is 1. 1 I can't take. Now opponents. Now my turn. See this? I got 3. The previous one is 2, I got that. The previous one is 2, I got that. Now opponents. So they just do this. Now my turn. Opponent's turn. See, now they don't have a move. So it is a mandatory for me to play something which will give them a move. I can either play this or this. So I am going to play this. So it's a mandatory move. Now opponent's turn. So because they don't want me to get this, so they will do this. So I do this. So again they don't want me to get this, they do this. So I do this, they have only this move. So they do this. So I do this, again they don't want me to get this, so they do this. So the strategy is, you should try to win more, at the same time you should try to block the opponent from winning more. So I don't want them to get this, so I spoil this. So their turn, they do this, and my turn, I do this, they do this. So then they are also saying if both the players agree it's going to go in round and round, then we can stop the game also. So opponent, my turn, opponent, my turn, opponents. I think it's going to go round and round. My turn, opponent, let us see. And my turn, opponent. So I want to spoil this, I do this. And opponent's turn, they want to spoil this. My turn, I do this. 4, it's more than 8, I think we have to continue. So opponent do this, I do this. So opponent have to do this. 1, 2, 3. So now I do this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 2, then I got another 2. So opponent's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8, it's very difficult. It's going to go round and round. Let us see. So I just got this. So it's opponents. Opponent do this, I do this, they do this because they don't want me to get this, and I do this because I don't want them to get this. So they do this, I do this. So I think it's going to go round and round. So we agreed to close it. So I get 3, they get 4. So I should have closed it little earlier also. Now to see who's the winner, we have to fill it back with 4 each. 2, 3, 4, 4. And usually in tournaments it is played in one round only, and you can either decide who is the winner. See, it looks like I am the winner. I am the winner by 7 points. So it can be like that, or you can just close when one person is the winner. I hope you like this game. Please do check our other Hanuata and Pallanguli and Mankala, and to appreciate the distinction in this game. I also cover more variations in Avari variety of games. Thanks, and bye. Immaculate.